Reconditioned detector heads for Graviner Mark 6 oil mist detector. For testing, the heads are connected to a spare oil mist detector unit, and then we simulate the oil mist with some smoke detector testing gas sprayed on the head's path. Apart from hearing the alarm, we can also see the relevant indicator lights on both the head and the unit, as well as the message on the screen. The same test is repeated for the second head. As well as the third head. It is now clear that all three detector heads are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.